Let's talk about most nutritional tree of India. Moringa tree, drumstick tree, horseradish tree, known as shigru in Sanskrit, sahajan in Hindi, swanjana in Dogri. This is the tree of degraded plants, drought resistant. Wood is very brittle, not very strong. Leaves are alternate with typical tripinnate decompound leaves. Leaflets are opposite. Flowers are pentamerous. Leaf flower burls, sepals, petals, stamens and gynoecium. They are inserted on a cup-shaped hypanthium. So, condition of floral whorls is perigynous. Flowers are zygomorphic. Sepals, petals free. In stamens we have 5 stamens, but 5 or 3, 4. Staminodes also occur. Gynoecium 3 carpels, they are 1 united with parietal placentation. This is the only genus Moringa in the family Moringaceae, having some affinities with Rohyadales, Rosales, Capreaceae family, especially the stipitate ovary and presence of disc. This is widely used as vegetable, sohanjana, mostly grown, cultivated in the backyards, especially in South India. Various cuisines, sambar, dal, bada. There we use its tender pods called drumsticks or leaf powder, sohanjana powder. In fact, leaves are more nutritional as compared to fibrous pods. Leaves are supposed to be rich in vitamin A, provitamin A, carotenoids, vitamin B, B1, B6, even vitamin C, even minerals, calcium, zinc, phosphorus, potassium, manganese and many essential amino acids. Storehouse of nutrition is also called the miracle tree. In fact, this tree, Moringa, also yields the oil, which is non-drying oil, also used as lubricant in machinery. So, this particular tree stands used as poverty alleviation tree. A tree which can fight the malnutrition, which can fight the hunger. At the same time, it can boost the immunity to fight the diseases. It is antimicrobial, especially against E. coli, salmonella. This tones our skin. It provides skin glow. So it has cosmetic uses. It's especially the bane oil. Seed oil is used in many cosmetics. This purifies the blood, very useful as detoxifier. It detoxifies our liver. It helps in lactation in the nursing mothers. So usually recommended. It's leaf powder to the nursing mothers. It helps in the treatment of sciatica. Even it has the anti-inflammatory qualities, so used in arthritis. This has the capacity to lower the cholesterol. It is useful for kidneys. This has the laxative effect. And if leaf powder is taken for 1 or 2 weeks, you will see the improvement in the weight also. So it is very useful for those who intends to lose weight. This moringa is used in many hair growth treatments also. The presence of quercetin helps in hair growth. It is used in skincare lotions, sunscreen creams. This is also used in many anti-aging healthcare. For example, it is a rich source of antioxidants. It is also useful in cancer and pain management. Because of azothiocyanates, it is also useful in diabetes and lactation. It is a detoxifier, but it is little bitter. So herbal tea of its flowers and leaves can be taken with the addition of some lemon and honey. That will be useful. It can be added leaf powder to salads, sauces, juices. It can be mixed with mango juice, pomegranate juice, guava juice, or even the soups. But it is better to have a lukewarm water for the preparation, not very hot. It hydrates skin and provides a glow. It fights many bacterial and fungal infections. Another tree which we find in India is Konkan drumstick tree, Konkan moringa, which is again unique to India, which is under the name called as Moringa konkanensis or Konkan moringa, also called as jungli sehnjan or sargua. In Sanskrit, again it is called as garpataka or bahupallav or shevga. In Tamil it is called as katu murungai. Basically the word moringa has come from Tamil language, where moringa means twisted pods. Pods are triangular with 3 valves, basically a capsular fruit, and when they break open there is some kind of twist in the pods, so known as the morungai. Leaves in case of Moringa oleifera, which is very common in Jammu Shivaliks, leaves are tripinnate in Moringa oleifera, whereas in Moringa konkanensis leaves are 2-pinnate, and flowers are yellowish with red veins, and we have the 5 stamens and 5 staminodes. Apart from 2 Indian moringas, Moringa oleifera and Moringa konkanensis, we have some species unique to African subcontinent. Moringa ovalifolia, are called as Namibian moringa. This is unique and found in the desert, Namibian desert, fairy tale forest of Etosha National Park. Here stem is extraordinarily large and succulent, having about 1 meter girth and 7 meter height. This was reported in the year 1914 by Kurt Dinter and Alvin Berger. Another species unique to Africa is the cabbage tree or cabbage moringa, because its leaves relish like cabbage. It is Moringa stenopetala, found in Kenya, Ethiopia. Trunk is bottle shaped, leaves edible, and it was discovered by Edmund Baker in the year 1896. Stenopetala, steno means narrow, so petals shape has provided the specific epithet. Caduciform stem is unique and its branches are velvety. By 2 tripinnate leaves. Anthers are yellow. Per pod 20 seeds. This is usually found in association with trees like Acacia tortilis, Dallonyx elata, Commiphora, salvadora. Roots are the storage organ and they can withstand the temperature of even up to 48 degrees. Flowers are visited by honeybees and many animals also use its leaves as fodder. Leaves are rich in sulfur. Seed powder and bark powder is also used in water purification. This is useful for the treatment of leprosy, malaria, diarrhea, dysentery, and also used as herbal tea in Africa. Another moringa we find in Kenya, which is vulnerable and endemic to Kenya, is Moringa arborea. Another one which is restricted and found in Madagascar, that is bottle tree, Moringa drauhardi, which is usually found on the limestone cliffs. Another endemic and almost gone extinct in the wild, and the moringa survived only by the agricultural practices, is Moringa hildebranchi. It has pinnate leaves, leaf rachis is red, ivory white flowers, and it is almost extinct in the wild. Another tree which is found is Moringa peregrina. It is found in Horn of Africa, Egypt and Syria. And this particular species, Moringa peregrina, is presumed to be the ancestral species from where the Moringa oleifera and Moringa concanensis may have diverged in the earlier phase of evolutionary history. So we find these nutritional moringas, especially Moringa oleifera, is a storehouse of nutrition. It boosts immunity, fights many diseases. It is useful for skin care, heart care, hair care, useful in diabetes, sciatica, arthritis, and it starts flowering immediately after 2-3 years. This can be included in the kitchen gardens, and its roots are also pickled, swanjaneda char, and its seed powder is usually recommended for the purification of polluted waters. Just you use this seed powder and put to the drinking water for 10, 20, 30 minutes, and after decantation you can consume that water, which is safe for drinking. So this is a multi-purpose tree and very useful to fight nutrition, malnutrition, and boost our health.